Welcome to watch the BYD Battery Box Premium LVS installation guide video.
This video includes the following content. Requirements, installation, wiring connection, commission.
All product documents can be downloaded from the BYD Battery Box official website, including data sheets, technical information, service guidelines, and operating manuals, among others. Installers must wear safety shoes and insulating gloves to ensure safety. The installation environment must be well ventilated and far away from fire and combustibles. The working temperature must be controlled at -10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, and humidity should be kept at 5% to 95%. Unpack the package and take out the modules and accessories carefully. The quick installation guide manual, a pair of hangers, and 4 M5 screws can be found in the PDU package. Remove the bolts between the PDU and base. Separate the PDU from the base. Here is a complete LVS 16.0 system consisting of 1 PDU, 1 BMU, and 4 battery boxes. The base should be placed along the wall with a distance of 12 to 19 millimeters from wall. Put 1 battery module on the base. The blind mating connectors of the battery module and the base should be on the same side. Repeat this step for installation of additional modules. Install the hangers to the PDU and tighten the M5 screws using a screwdriver. Put the PDU on the top of the battery modules. Hold the hangers where they intend to be mounted on the wall and mark the position of the drill holes. Take the PDU from the battery system and drill the marked holes. Put the PDU back to the top of the battery system. Insert screws and anchors into the drill holes if the support surface requires them. Secure the hanger using screws. Tighten the screws between each of the modules. There are 4 glands on the PDU connection area. A is for the data cable in. B is for the data cable out. C is for PE. D is for DC positive and E is for DC negative. Connect the PE cable to grounding point. Fix the hanger to the wall. Install the BMU on the hanger. Data cable connection. Read the designation of the inverter port on BMU and the inverter manual and decide whether to modify the data cable. The designation of inverter port on BMU can be read below. Our compatible inverter's communication ports with BMU designation can be read below. The detailed connection instruction with different inverters can be read in the Quick Start Guide. Pass the communication cables through the connectors. Connect the RJ45 of the communication cable to the corresponding BMS port of BMU and lock the connector. Connect the other side to the in port of PDU. Cable requirements. Conductor cross section. 3 options are available: 35 mm squared, 50 mm squared, and 70 mm squared. Please choose the correct one according to application and also the requirements of the inverter manufacturer. Maximum cable length, 10 meters. Follow the table below to choose the connector type and parts. Please pay attention to the small letters on the O-ring and claw. The black terminal is for the negative connector, and the orange one is for the positive connector. This is 1 pair of connectors for 1 PDU. These are the required tools. Install rubber core, O-ring, and cap in sequence on the DC cable. Strip the PE insulation sleeve up to 20 plus or minus 1 millimeter and plug the DC terminal into the stripped part of the cable. Clamp the metal terminal with a clamper. Before that, please choose the correct dies. Plug the cables into the PDU. The other side of the cables should be well protected if it has not been connected with the inverter at this step. Power on and off. Power on. Press the LED button for 3 seconds on the first module. Then the whole system should turn on. The sequence of switching on and off is very important. If the sequence is wrong, the system may not work. The LED will start to flash, then it turns white. In general, the white LED indicates the system is normal, and the blue LED indicates low state of charge or malfunction. For more details, please refer to the operating manual.